Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Buick Encore Leather Group. Stock number Z9988XX. Only 27,000 miles on this Encore. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White pearl in color. The Encore is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split rear seats, fold down for additional cargo space. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers. Pages with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can also sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and infotainment system control. Dual zone automatic temperature control, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and spacious glove boxes. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Encore, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.